Alright, welcome to the channel. I am now in Dale in Norway. I just took off from the road between Bergen and Voss. And I'm going up a mountain road here. It's gonna be pretty nice, perfect weather. So yeah. I did this exact route a few days ago, but then the weather was pretty crap compared to today, so I decided I wanted to do it again in perfect conditions. Got my camera back in the normal position, so should be better. I tried to get it a bit higher up, but yeah, the mount didn't quite stick, so I have a different plan for that, so I'll just wait till I get the parts I need. So we're now riding up Bergsdalen. It's a pretty nice ride, I think. Road is not in the best condition after winter, so I have to look out for potholes and stuff like that, but that we can do. Waterfall down there. I'm not sure if I get it on camera. We can stop and have a look. Why not? Nice. We're getting higher now, so back in the snow. I think riding in spring before the snow goes away is pretty nice. Oh yeah, look at that. These mountains are also very popular to go skiing in, backcountry skiing. So nice, look at the view. So last fall I invested in a heated jacket and pants, and that really makes a huge difference this time of year. Instead of cold and miserable, it's all warm and cozy. Ah, super nice, really. Before I used to have my heated grips on max, and it was still cold, but now I have actually turned them down a bit because the jacket hits my arms, so it doesn't get as cold as before. So this is totally worth it. I'm also testing out Kalimoto today for the navigation, and so far it seems to be doing a pretty good job at giving directions, so that's promising. Right, some snow coming down. Also one thing to watch out for this time of year. It's starting to melt and it all comes down. Time for mountain number 2 today. So now I'm at Levanger. I'm going over Brekkhusfjellet towards Eksingedalen, and then to Modalen and back home.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky.
Right, so one of the downsides of going wireless with the microphone is that I have to remember to charge it, and apparently that's not something I'm too good at yet. So I ran out of battery, so I had to recharge it a bit on the way up here. But yeah, now we're back. And yeah, isn't this nice? I really enjoy riding over here, especially, well, actually it's nice here in summertime as well, but something special about spring when the snow is still remaining. What a nice day! The perfect riding weather, almost. Oh, it is. This is just so nice. And it's actually getting pretty warm now. May even consider lowering the heat in my jacket. Dash says 10 degrees, so it's not that warm, but the sun is helping a lot. Right, so I have now reached Modalen. I'm not sure if you can hear the music and stuff that I didn't switch off now, but yeah, I reached Modalen, and yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. The rest of the way home is not that interesting, so I'll take a break here and then head home. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.